Many times in an automobile accident, there's no independent witnesses, no one that wasn't involved in the accident. And then under those circumstances, first of all, we make sure there are no independent witnesses. We hire an investigator to go to the scene to make sure that there's no one who happened to see it. Secondly, in our age of technology, there are video cameras everywhere. So we need to scour the scene, see local businesses, and see what type of video is available. Sometimes within the vehicles, there's dash cams and cameras that can also record how an accident occurred. So you're reliant on these types of evidence, these types of investigations that will help you determine, without a witness, an independent witness, what happened. If you've been involved in a car accident, give our office a call. We'd love to help.